camo guns and ammo here. Got a little anvil scope. The exploring goods. 6/2/3/18 p.m. Got 2 Remington sluggers. $4.99 a piece. 60. I got some Rio. $1.51 off, which is good. I usually pay $6.99 for the other ones, like the Remington ones. I forgot the color. Mine are the universal ones. I paid $23 for 100, but I didn't feel like driving out there. 6.2 Rio, 25, 20 gauge. And then I got the Auto Match, $25. That's my 4th boxes. 4 boxes unopened. First box is third. I had one before this, I started it. But $4/369. Savings of $1.51. Not a bad ammo score. They had Browning ones, but I've seen that they I guess they don't shoot well. I think they got Thunderbolts, 500 round brick. I don't remember what else they had. Probably some golden balls. I really want the Remington Subsonics. And CCI quiets and mini mags, because quiets are really freaking quiet. I don't know, I got 700 mini mag round bullets. I might just do a video for that, but that's the scoop for today. I know it's been a long time since I bought stuff from Tora, but I didn't make any videos, so peace, Camo Guns and Ammo, out.